Huawei has finally launched the new Nova series in India, the Nova 3 and the Nova 3i. With the price of Rs 34,999 for the Nova 3, which comes with a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Meanwhile, Huawei Nova 3i is priced at Rs 20,990 for the 4GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Both the Nova 3 and the Nova 3i will be available exclusively on Amazon India with two color variants, that is, Irish purple and black color variant. The front camera of both phones have HDR Pro.
As its name suggests, GPU Turbo, it will enhance the GPU processing, graphic processing capabilities of GPU. It actually increases the performance by 60% and parallel it will reduce the power consumption by 30%. And it will manage the FPS at optimum levels. So what is the benefit for the users? User will have a lag-free experience. They will have a 4D kind of experience. Because in this GPU Turbo technology, we will also be having a 4D experience, which means is for different actions, you will getting a different vibrations. So for example, like PUBG is a very popular game these days. So if you are firing with AKM, you will feel a different kind of vibration as compared to the M416. So this is a difference. Not only this, you will be getting a 3D surround sound with 7.1 channels. So you'll exactly know from where the bullet is coming and from where you have been hit. So basically it will enhance the gaming experience of our gamers.
The new Nova 3 and the Nova 3i will receive GPU Turbo mode via OTA update for a more powerful gaming experience, as well as AI-based 4D gaming experience. Both the smartphones will go up for pre-booking on Amazon India at 2 PM IST today itself. Launch offers for both include an additional 2,000 exchange discount, no-cost EMIs and Rs 1,200 cashback from Jio, as well as 100GB of additional data. The Huawei Nova 3 will go on sale for the first time on August 23, while the Nova 3i will go on sale for the first time on 7th August. Pre-booking offers for both phones include Rs 1,000 cashback. The company also announced the Huawei AI shopping feature powered by Amazon, letting users find products by image or camera. The Huawei Nova 3 runs on EMUI 8.2 based on Android Oreo and features a 6.3 inches Full HD Plus display with an 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 85% NTSC color gamut. Under the hood, there's an octa-core high silicon Kirin 970 processor coupled with Mali G72 GPU. The dual rear camera setup includes a 16 megapixel primary sensor with an f1.8 aperture and a 24 megapixel secondary sensor with an f1.8 aperture as well. Similar to the back, there's a dual camera setup at the front as well that comprises a 24 megapixel primary sensor with an f2.0 aperture and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. The rear camera setup supports AI scene recognition along with a 3750 mAh battery to support the phone. Additionally, the Huawei Nova 3 has a USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm headphone jack for connectivity. It also includes a fingerprint sensor at the back and supports IR-based face unlock functionality as well. On the other hand, the Nova 3i runs on EMUI 8.2 based on top of Android Oreo out of the box. It supports a 6.3 inches of Full HD Plus with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The handset is powered by an in-house octa-core high silicon Kirin 710 processor paired with 4GB of RAM. The Huawei Nova 3i bears a dual rear camera setup with a 16 megapixel primary sensor and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. Even at the front, it has a dual camera setup with a 24 megapixel sensor and a 2 megapixel secondary unit. There's a 3340 mAh battery to support the phone.